Hey everyone, welcome back to Allie in Beautyland, and this is the second part of the Birds of Paradise Aveda tutorials. So I started with my skin using the Radiance Fluid from Aveda and the Inner Light Tinted Moisturizer. This look really focuses on the lips, so I want to keep the eyes really soft and feminine with nuances of pinks and golds really softly blended. Since Aveda has a limited brow product selection, I opted to use the Earth Mascara, which is their mascara, as a brow gel for my eyebrows. This red lip is the focus of the whole makeup look, and it is everything. It is so pretty. Here's the finished look. Thanks for watching Allie in Beautyland. Stick around for bloopers. It doesn't matter if
back. I
just
know.
shocked you.
I know.
I'm gonna edit out all of the vocals and things like that. Yeah, it'll be on mute the whole time, so they won't be able to hear anything.
Should.
Damn it.
Oh, she has it. Okay. The first.
Looking cute.
Get out of the way, Rachel. She's always trying to hog the limelight.
Where'd my lipstick go? Oh, there it is.
I ate it.
It's delicious. I could eat it. Tastes like peppermint.
Hashtagging you.
Hashtag lots of lips. And now,
Do you feel like they're fuller than usual?
I love my big full lips. Make it look cute. You could say something. Or not.